Hello, I'm Tesla with NotaBotYet, and I'm here to show you the Tally Helper 100. It makes it easy to control your Mika arm without ending up with something like this. Our goal is to get rid of it. The Tally Helper 100 is easy to install, and there's no need to touch a soldering iron. In fact, it's so easy to install, I can do it. And that's what I'm going to show you. So, you open the Tally Helper 100 box to see the Tally Helper 100. It comes with a screwdriver, installation screws, a card telling you the inputs and outputs, and a power supply to help power your Tally Helper 100 and the Mika arm light. To install the Tally Helper 100, first you will need your wire from the Mika arm. And the Tally Helper, the inputs are all labeled for your convenience, so all you have to do is take the color and screw it in using the supplied screwdriver, a Phillips, or your favorite greenie. I'm going to use a supplied screwdriver. Now that we have finished hooking up the wire from the Mika mic arm to the Tally Helper 100, now we will finish putting in the outputs, which would go to your favorite microphone processor. We will now hook up control. For demonstration, we're using an Axia GPIO node. We are using an Axia breakout to RJ45, available from NotaBotYet. If you're using Wheatnet IP logic, you can plug directly into that port. Now we'll plug in the control input and the 12-volt power supply. And we're ready to test. I have a button hooked up to the node for demonstration purposes. As you can see, when I push the button, the Mika arm lights up. But wait, there's more. Not only can it do red, when I push the second button, it lights up white. The input bits are jumper selectable as to which bit controls the red and the white. As you can see, it's super easy to install and use the Tally Helper 100, and the best part is it works with Axia, Wheatnet, and Generic GPIO. I'm Tesla with NotaBotYet, and I hope you found this video informative, and don't forget to use the Tally Helper with your next installation. I know I will. I'm dying down here. That is literally what I'm doing. I'm pushing a button.
Okay. I have this button. Just say, I have this button.
I have this button.
I have this button wired to the input of the... So, yeah, what happened?
Goodbye.
Yeah, well,